Hello, everyone. Get ready for something awesome in Divine W Perfect Wonderland. Stick around to see this insane mod in action. It's worth watching until the end, and if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button for more epic gaming content. Today, I'm showcasing a mod for Divine W Perfect Wonderland that works on both Android and iOS. This mod comes with a slick mod menu you can access by tapping a gear icon in-game. The star feature? Unlimited ingots to max out your resources instantly. Plus, there are other cool tweaks to enhance your gameplay, making your adventure in this open-world MMORPG even more thrilling. To use this mod, ensure you have the latest version of Divine W Perfect Wonderland installed. I've left a pinned comment below with all the details on where to grab this mod, so check it out. If this mod boosts your game, drop a comment and let me know how it's working for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more gaming mods and tips. Thanks for watching, and again, head to the pinned comment for info on getting this mod. See you in the next video.